From one place to the other, passing everybody. Long time me don't tell you my brother. Can't move from all of the things that I done. I'm on my knees and God still here. I know it is not by might, it is not by power. Everything by grace, oh. All of the things by grace, oh. Every little thing by grace, oh. All by the grace of God, everything by grace.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. If today your first time being here, know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be the first watcher. And also follow me on all my social media handles. Today I just want to know I use GOT2BE to lay my towel. So if you are interested, let's get right into the video. I'm starting off basically with this hair, and of course GOT2BE. This will come in handy. I have all my hair at the back. So this is how the hair looks like without GOT2BE.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.
So afterwards, you can tie something around the hair just to make the glue stick.
All of it closely, I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So guys, this is the end results. What I will do is I will just clean the glue. See, it's very intact. So that will be the end of my video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share.